Oh.
But you can.
Oh, cool.
You're with her, right?
Yeah.
He's with him? Okay. I thought somebody else was
Sure.
We have two of them in there. We got, actually, we got four.
Yeah,
And they're all the same.
And then
So
the-
one's over at Concert Road,
So
yeah.
there's your
The
right.
one's over the living
Here
room,
is
and
your-
then off the living
it's all
room,
returned.
is where you can see.
Yeah, you can
over
see
the
it.
floor plan, It's a
Big one.
dining room type.
Oh, yeah. You're very welcome, ma'am. Sorry we didn't have those lights and we could do them all the same.
I know.
Yeah,
I love those things.
But
Well,
I'll
that's
think about something else.
What do you need?
yeah, very
You don't have any parts on it? Choose for our own things.
Those are like that, so the other thing too is,
I know
they
one
all
was-
contact you when they're doing it. Same thing with that, you can reach up and touch it.
Oh, right.
So I've changed it. So yours might be a little bit darker for two reasons. Number one, you don't have this much light. Well, this much light, first of all.
right, that's true.
And then the age, they're really not going to darken that much. If anything, they may lighten up a little bit over time.
Okay, a light kit for this.
Sure. Absolutely. Do you want to do something like one of those, like that, but with different glass?
Well, you had to turn.
But something like this would be fine with different glass, because we're gonna need the light over the table to eat.
Yeah.
Let me make sure that it comes in antique brass. Let me see what I got.
You sure? Aren't those a little bit too modern?
He said different lights.
Oh, okay.
But that kind of attachment.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah, that'll work. And, you know, over by the bar stools, there'll be more light,
Yeah.
you know. And in the dark,
I've got one left. Yeah, because they've discontinued this color for this, so I've got one left.
Okay.
oh, that's wonderful.
This one right here. They're a little bit darker looking like that.
Oh, yeah.
So what ends up happening, so of course it goes on, you know, and the windows are light and the light coming in, that looks much lighter. Well, here's what you can do too, you can always call me and let me know, or
Sure.
share it with me, so I can see them and I'll do it.
Let me take a picture of the glass that we got. Because I don't want to-
Because I am going to bump into something.